Hey everyone, so guys, today I want to share something very important tips for the Christ University students who's going to apply for the upcoming batch. It could be for UG program or for PG program. Regardless, few important quick tips which I really want to share with you based on my experience as well as based on my experience of taking mock interviews for students on what are the mistakes done by the previous batch and which you are not supposed to do it. Those kind of important tips I'll be sharing in this video. So kindly make sure that you watch it from the first to the last. Okay, even though if you want you can play speed fast, but that's no issues, but make sure that you watch the video from first to last. And what I'm just telling now, make sure that you start implying it from the very beginning. I think if you're listening to this video at any point of time, start preparing from that particular stage. See guys, if you're preparing for Christ University interview or for Symbiosis or for any college, okay, when I'm coming in centric towards Christ University, very important, start reading more current affairs. Okay, read news every day. That's very important. If you're not, at least the best sources, read Hindu paper. Okay, read Hindu paper every day. I don't think so it'll take much time also. At least read the editorial page. That's more than enough. Okay, in case you do not have time to read because of your exams or such kind of things, at least listen to the news. Okay, I think the best is like Byju's IAS. They give analysis of what has happened every day. So from today onwards, at least until the day of your exam, interview, other things like that, just every day make sure that you update yourself with the current affairs. Okay, or else trust me, it's going to be very difficult. And I feel very sad by telling this. I've seen many students, they have struggled very badly in their first attempt, failed second attempt, failed third attempt, failed fourth attempt, gone. This has happened last year also at many instances, and not only me. Today we was discussing in the panel also with a few of the people who we conduct interview for students. So I was able to understand that the biggest problem which they're not able to do it is because they're not able to give their 100% because of lack of current affairs knowledge. Okay, so at least read some form of current affairs. And I was discussing the same thing with my student last time, okay, when I was conducting a mock interview, and I was able to complete successfully 500 plus mock interviews. I was really glad, and all those questionnaires, I was able to tally it properly, what all was asked for each department, so that this year it'll be a little more easy. No worries, I'll be updating it up in the coming up videos. But very important, what I want to tell you all is that please do make sure that you read some kind of current affairs newspaper on a daily basis. And I met a student recently, okay, who got selected from my this one. He got selected after I conduct mock interview. In the second attempt, he got cleared. I was really happy. I asked him this question. Okay, see, if today, just imagine if you are start preparing from today onwards, what is the one piece of advice you would have been given to your junior batch? And I was really astonished what he said. He said that I would have been started my preparation from the December itself as such. When it is in the month of like Jan, Feb, March or April, as soon as the interview, when it starts, I'll be able to do my level best. Okay, now this time we do not know whether your CUET or the interview is going to be online or offline. That's still not yet confirmed. But regardless, mostly it's going to be online. But still, it's still a questioning which needs to be sorted by the college or university. But very important, he emphasized over there is that read current affairs. That is the biggest lifeline for you to strive in any kind of interview, especially an interview like Christ. If you know current affairs, आपका CUET का CUT is like, right, a small entrance test. वो जो भी syllabus है ना, पूरा का आधा you have completed it. Okay, your biggest headache is done. So at least I'm just asking you, just spend half an hour, because I've seen many regrets. If you want, you can ask your senior batch also how many attempts they have taken to clear a particular thing. And this is the biggest tip. And along with that, for example, if you're planning to take BBA, BA, LLB or any kind of particular subject, know about that particular subject little. Okay, for example, if I'm studying about business administration, that's what I want to pursue, BBA. So now I'm in my 12th grade. Now, along with my 12th grade, I'm also going to study little about business subjects. When I'm studying, I'm providing little more focus over there. For example, I'm choosing BSc then. I'm in 12th grade, science stream. I provide little more attention, something similar to that subject. If you're able to link and study now, trust me, आपका interview and the written exam will be like a cup of cake. Nothing is need to prepare for you if you start from the first day. Okay, so your micro presentation is also going to be very peaceful if you keep on following up these techniques. And surely I'll be updating more videos on this. आपका जो भी doubt है, what and all is your doubt, kindly put in the comment box. I shall surely reply and make a video on it and help you out. And you can also catch me on my Insta and Gmail ID. My Gmail ID is pawanss102@gmail.com, pawanss102@gmail.com, and Insta ID is pawanpawan.ss. You have any queries or something like that which you need to address, I think better you can post below of this video. I'll make sure that I upload it. In case if I've not seen it, okay, then you can even text me in my Insta. I will surely make a video and upload it at the very earliest. So that's all. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Wish you all the best. Good luck.